got your backs. Fuck you! It's on.
Friendlies.
Friendlies.
Last player, friendlies. There's a guy in the right corridor.
Just make sure, I suppose. Don't want to get shot, do we? Yellow. Is anyone in there? Oh yeah. Okay. They're at the back wall here. Oh, there's enough guys in here. Let's go back now. But there's enough in that back office there, so I'm heading towards you guys. There's about 8 of our guys in there, so should be fine. Yeah, our guys are picking off. There's a sniper in there or DMR.
Oh, that's cool.
Where's Andy?
I thought it was you.
No, he went. He was behind you.
Behind us, so he didn't come this way.
He was behind us. I thought he was in front of us, honestly.
Yeah, he was coming this way, so no, not those stairs, he was.
He hasn't got his radio on him anymore. Where are you, Andy?
Can't see.
Shit, stay Hit. Yellow. Medic. Yellow medic.
No, it's Marshall coming through. Marshall in. What do I keep on saying? Don't stop. 1, 2, 3, go. This pinch, don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
I think it's Andy at D2. I'm heading inside D2 now. Fuck's sake. Whoa. Yellow, yellow.
Yeah, fucking push up!
Try again. Fuck's sake. Yeah, cheers. My feet are slippy, so I don't know what's going on. Cheers. No, I'm all over the place. Guy in around there. He's just passing the building. He should be coming up on your left.
Contact upstairs.
Both of them are down at the van, so that's kind of good, I suppose. Yeah, he's down. It's on as well.
Is he good?
Yeah, he's down. Oh, there's another one. Oh, incoming. Fire. He's in between here and the your window, so he might be coming around. Nope, staying where he is. He's hit as well. I'm on a roll. Whoa, where's that coming from? Is that coming from across? Not coming from straight down. Hold on, there's another one. I think. Oh, there's no. Ah, out of ammo, reloading. Guy near the van. American. Nice. Oh, he's at the van now, he's behind cover.
One hit!
Both of them behind the van now. It's trying to hit with the legs, but I'm not that good of a shot.
Hit!
Shit. Try again.
Hit!
Coming from this direction. There's one guy that. Hit! Right in the face. Yellow medic!
Hit!
Nice. Cheers. Oh, falling over it. Cheers. Oh, I was all right at the van pretty much. He's back at them. This guy is not letting off.